Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Scroll Lock is active in Excel. Open your workbook and watch the status bar for Scroll Lock. Once you see it, make sure Excel is the active window. If your keyboard lacks a SCR/LK key, open the Windows on Screen keyboard by pressing Start and typing OSC or run OSC. EXE. This is the first actionable move because toggling SCR/LK there directly changes Excel behavior without guessing keyboard shortcuts. Once the on-screen keyboard is visible, click the SCR/LK button once. You'll hear or see it depress, and Windows will toggle the scroll lock state. If you prefer the physical keyboard and your laptop maps SCR/LK to an FN combo, press FN plus SCR/LK one time. Make sure to hold FN only if required. After the toggle, return to Excel and check the status bar. The label should disappear, which explains why toggling is effective. Excel stops moving the view and restores arrow key navigation. You finish by verifying that pressing any arrow now moves the active cell rather than scrolling the worksheet. That is the proof Scroll Lock is off. Once confirmed, close the on-screen keyboard and save your file. If the status bar never updated or arrow behavior didn't change, make sure the status bar option for Scroll Lock is enabled, restart Excel, and check keyboard drivers. If you're on a remote session, toggle SCR/LK on the client machine. That common failure mode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.